Ashish, good to have you. Good afternoon. So it's turned out to be quite a green Monday afternoon for the bulls. What's your call on the index, if you would open out any trades now, and of course individual stocks?
Good afternoon to you and all the viewers as well. Like we were discussing even on Friday, I was expecting Nifty to cross that 25,000 psychological mark, and we are there. And despite of the global events that are happening around, we are managing to sustain there today. That clearly shows a sign of strength. Also, there were a lot of build-up on the short call side at 25,000. I'm sure they might be running for cover now. If Nifty breaks above that 25,050, my target remains at 25,360 mark. So yes, long positions can be created even here. On the downside, one can maintain a stop loss of 24,900, and we can head towards 25,360 levels on the upside, which is a GAN level. So the overall tone is bullish for me. And also what is interesting is that Bank Nifty has started participating now. Bank Nifty showed some consolidation. It has not yet moved higher substantially, not yet filled the gap that was created about a few weeks back. So there is a lot of potential if Bank Nifty starts performing and catching up. I'm sure Nifty is going to be on fire. So Bank Nifty is the index which can now move on the upside. And if 51,300 is broken on Bank Nifty on the closing basis, I think Bank Nifty is going to be crossing even that 52,000 mark and maybe inching towards the lifetime high. That's an optimistic scenario. So overall undertone remains bullish. We can see a lot of buzz around the mid cap space as well. So I'm expecting any kind of a dip should be used as a buying opportunity.
Okay, you're sounding optimistic on both the headline indices, Ashish. What about individual stocks? What's on your radar?
On the radar, it's Mahindra Life Space. We can clearly see a very strong move in today's session. Some kind of a profit booking from the highs, of course, but I think the space should buzz and we should start seeing an upward tick in this stock. And Mahindra Life can be a good buy, and we can expect a target of around 650 on the upside. On the downside, one can maintain a stop loss of around 570 levels. The next stock on the buy side is going to be from the large cap is HCL Tech. We can see it's the top gainer. Now, very strong breakout happening. IT is definitely buzzing. If you look at the ratio analysis of IT sector compared to Nifty, that ratio has turned sharply on the upside, suggesting that the outperformance will come from the IT sector as well. So HCL Tech is leading all the way on the upside. I think this stock can head towards the level of around 1800 on the upside, as long as on the downside 1670 remains intact.